Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So here today I'm looking at SoFi, and stay tuned to the end. Special bonus for each and every one of you. It's awesome. So let's start off with SoFi banking system. Is SoFi going out of business? No. Is SoFi getting bigger? Yes. Is SoFi stable? Yes. Does SoFi offer the most FDIC insurance of any bank on the planet? Yes. These are just some of the true benefits that SoFi offers over traditional banks like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, even the smaller regional banks. SoFi has it all over them because they offer a lot of more products and services. You can see just by their app, man, they got a lot to offer. All right, let's start off with banking. Let's go to the banking tab because you get a lot more information. Here you go. Checking account, 1.2%. Not good. Not that good. It used to be better. They used to have checking and savings about the same, but they bifurcated it, and now checking takes a lot less, but they did bump up the savings. So you're getting 4%. That is outstanding. You're not going to find that at a traditional bank, brick and mortar store. You find it at other online banks for sure. You might even find higher rates. But at SoFi, it's pretty awesome because I'm going to tell you how to get a lot more out of this. Now, let's go to the savings account real quick. You can see I've got $525 in there, not a whole lot. So you can see interest earned $1.69. Okay, that's 4%. Big deal, right? When you add it to what else I have, let's go back to the home page and go to the points. I've earned 500 points this month. What? What does 513 points mean? Well, for every action you do here on SoFi, like say you move money over automatically to invest, if you just log into the app, if you use actual money on the credit card, you get 3% back. Many more activities you can use, right? Look at all these things. So lots of ways to earn points here at SoFi. And if you redeem this $5.13, it's like you're earning interest. Okay, so let's do that now. We're going to plump that right into our checking account because our checking account's a little low right now until I get paid again. I don't put my entire paycheck in here. It's just a partial for investment purposes and, just fun money to play with. It's a good deal. All right, so bam, that was redeemed. It should be in my account. And it'll go into my checking account here. So you can see rewards redemption today. It's already in there. Bam, $5.13. How awesome is that? It's almost instantaneous. So you can take that 1.2%, right? And I just like quadrupled it at least. Because $5, what was the last interest rate payment? I got 38 cents. So yeah, I got more than 10 times that just now. So it's a way better way to allocate your money and redeem the rewards, and just look at it as, hey man, this interest rate is 1.2%, but man, I can bump that up to like 5 or 10% even, depending on how much you keep in here and then how much rewards activity you do. Once you get in there, you can learn how to game the system. All right, and there's other ways to get rewarded as well. You can refer friends. Yeah, if you guys want to open a SoFi account, look in the links below. You can make a bunch of money, and that'll be good. We're here on the credit card channel. Now, one complaint that I have with this credit card, okay? One of the things I was looking to do is I was hoping to do a balance transfer. And ever since I opened this card, there's not been any offers available. So I really wish that there was a good rate that was offered, maybe like 7% or 0%. I know a lot of other cards like Discover, they do 0% transfer for 12 months. It'd be great if I could have an offer from SoFi for this credit card for that. So if I could change one thing, that would be it. Other than that, I really like the card, and I've been using it on and off just to keep it active. And So if you want to keep a credit card and you want to try to keep it active, you try to use it once a month or once every couple months. There's definitely a credit crunch going on here in the US right now. I had a bunch of credit cards. One of my credit cards lowered my available credit. It wasn't SoFi, but it was another one. And one of my credit cards actually closed my account entirely. Said, okay, we're done with credit. Cut it off. And I was like, whoa, what happened? Because I had like a $7,000 credit limit. And then the next day, got a letter in the mail. Bam, it's gone. I was like, whoa, what's going on? And I still have like $4,000 or $5,000 left to pay on it. But the credit limit's zero. So they closed the account, and I'm just paying the card down. It impacted my credit score a little because the available credit is less. So, interesting phenomenon here with the banking issues that are going on. It may or may not have been one of the banks that are in trouble that issued that credit card. Don't want to get too much into that, but yeah, the banking crisis could impact credit in now or in the near future or the little bit further in the future, depending on what happens to rates. If the rates keep going up, we'll see what happens. I know they just raised another quarter point, but then they said they will probably stop, but we'll see. Two schools of thought there, but let's not get into that right here in this video. All right. So for investing, I do have an issue. I wanted to open another account for the investing, but it won't let me. It gets halfway through, and it won't let me open it. It's like weird. I don't know what the deal is, but I opened the other three, no problem, right? The active investing, automated investing, and crypto investing. So this crypto investing account is pretty much dedicated to Bitcoin, all right? And I wanted to make another crypto investing account and dedicate it to strictly Ethereum. And I want to keep them completely separate, just so I can track their progress. And, Bitcoin, a lot of different schools of thought where that's going, right? Are we going back to 65? Are we going to 100? Are we going to a million? With the banking crisis and the money issues and the BRICS, if you guys aren't aware of those things, maybe I'll do another video that's a little more in depth, but they're trying to de-dollarize oil and switch it over to the yuan so people don't have to deal in dollars. But many of the transactions around the world still done in dollars, so I'm not worried about it right now. It's going to take decades for them to do this. But I mean, that's kind of the plan. They have a long-term strategy. Could be an issue down the road, but maybe not for 30 years. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on that story as it develops. But okay, back to SoFi. Sorry, I got distracted down a rabbit hole. Which, by the way, is a pretty good series. If you guys missed Jack Bauer in 24, go check out Rabbit Hole on Paramount Plus. He's in there. A little confusing, but pretty intriguing. You watch it a couple times, you may get a little bit more out of it. But, it's still early in the series. I have a lot of high hopes for it. It's pretty good. Anyway, so back to the investing, right? Crypto, still a pretty good deal. They don't charge a lot of fees to buy crypto here, and it's pretty on par with a lot of other exchanges. Pretty good deal. Active investing, I really do like here a lot, okay? Oh, I got a confirmation. Okay, confirm my info. Okay, I'll do that later. But yeah, I just bought another stock this morning. I didn't put it on my stock tracker for the channel, but if you guys want my real-time stock trades, be sure to join the channel and pay like whatever it is, $5 a month or $10 a month or whatever. It's well worth it compared to what I used to charge for my stock group. If you guys want my real-time stock trades and options trades, depending on what level you want, go and check it out anyway. You can see I've been concentrating here on QYLD in this account. Why? Well, simply because high dividend yield, 12%. Now, I just put another video out on my channel, but go back and check that out. I set up an account for my daughter and a custody account just to get her started with the whole stocks and trading stuff. Hopefully I can get her involved and hopefully I can get her to buy in on the whole FIRE movement. Should be pretty interesting journey. So take a look at that and tell me what you guys think. But I like the investing here. Like I said before, if you auto deposit money, you get money back. That's pretty cool. All right. And the automated investing, this is just basically a fire and forget. You just put money in and it automatically delineates where that money is going to go. You pick basically you want aggressive, moderate, income, whatever. And then you can go see where it's allocated. And I'm okay with that, right? SoFi right here, this one. I also have in my active investing, so I might look to change that a little in the future, but we'll see. But right now, it's working out pretty well. You can see the total growth of $113, plus my contributions are all still there. So that's good. And you can see I contribute twice a month, so $100 a month. You guys want to see how that grows, go check out my other videos on if you invest $100 a month over the next 20 years, it'll turn into like $1 million or something close. So anyway, I really like the SoFi Invest. Now the loans, okay, pretty cool. I did actually look into the auto loan refi. So I have a loan right now with the bank that's at a local bank, a credit union actually, and it's at 4.5%. Now, when I started looking into this, they couldn't even touch 4.5%. Okay. So I'm just going to stick with what I got. But if you guys are looking for a new loan, you're probably not going to do any refis right now because rates are going up to the moon. I also tried to do this personal loan at one point. You guys probably saw the video on that. But yeah, the rates are so high for a personal loan right now. I don't know if it's my credit or what. But my rate was 15%, so a little high. It's almost like a hard money loan per se. But I guess if I really needed it, if I was going to buy another property, or I was going to do something else, and I really needed the money, and I thought I was going to make a bunch of money, it might be a good place to go, right? If I wanted to YOLO into crypto or something, which I wouldn't advise. And so also, if you want to come here and try to get a loan, be sure to use one of my links below, okay? Especially if you're in the doctor realm. You can get $1,000 to refi your loans through SoFi. And from what I understand, they have pretty good rates. Now, I haven't tried it personally, but I've had a couple people that use SoFi to do that, and they said they'd give me good reports. So they have competitive rates, maybe not the best, but like I said before, this is a one-stop shop for everything. So they're not the best at everything, but they can do everything. All right, they can do student loans, mortgage loans, personal loans, new resident finance, auto loans. So I really like SoFi. So if you guys want to get SoFi yourself, here's the deal. You guys can go into the links below and you can earn yourself some cash, cold hard cash. Okay? It's pretty good. All you gotta do is deposit $10. Try it out. See if you like it. They're gonna send you a card. It's a pretty good deal. Now, there's different offers that are in here. Now, depending on what you want to do, I mean, if you get a credit card, I think it's like $100. If you just open a general banking account, it's like $50 or $25. If you do a loan, it's even more. If you go to the loan sections here, and I say refer, you can see the different amounts. If you go on a personal loan, $300. Student loan refi for normal people, $300. Medical students, $1,000. Probably because it's like, if you're a medical student, you probably got $100K worth of loans, to be honest, at least. So it's a pretty good bump. Or a private student loan, $100. So, if you guys want to go check this out, use my links below. If you want another link to something that I don't have, let me know and I'll be happy to send you a link with my referral. Or if the link doesn't work or whatever, let me know. Send me an IM. Find me on Instagram. on Twitter, wherever. And all right, and be sure you guys subscribe to the channel and join for my real-time stock trades. And I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.